In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Tropical Oasis Suite. Here's the suite, part of the suite. It's got the Tropical Oasis paper, really nice paper. I think of Aloha shirts when I see this paper. And the bundle, Timeless Tropical, with the dies that coordinate in the tropics. So all the images have dies to cut out, and then there's also some nice sentiments, and there's some extra dies. There's pineapple, flowers, leaves, feathers, and aloha. So go to my website, eStampin.com, and use this hostess code, and I will send you a free gift when you purchase this bundle. So the other parts of the bundle are this coastal weave embossing folder, and this Tropical Oasis trinkets, super cute. There's a ukulele and a pineapple and a leaf. And I think there's one other one, but I might be out. And there's also this really cool trim, braided trim, burlap trim. And what I like about it is you can kind of pull it apart to make it wider. So I think that looks pretty cool. Let me get it closer. So these are all part of the suite. So for this card, I have already cut out all the pieces. So I have them right here. I've got the 3 leaves, old olive on old olive, the plumeria, which is so saffron, and the hibiscus, which is calypso red on calypso coral. So I'm going to use, where did I just put it? Yeah, I'm always losing stuff. There it is. It's hiding. This is also part of the suite. This is the Memories and More card kit, and it's really fun because you can use all of these images to make cards, and it makes it really easy. Some of them even say, you know, love your smile. They have sentiments on them. They have different designs on them. And then there's 2 sizes. There's this size as well, and it has the really lovely paper and patterns and designs. So really, really fun. It also has stickers. Looks like I'm holding this upside down. So you can also use those in your cards. So I like to actually use these for cards. I do like to use them for memory keeping, scrapbooking as well. And it's fun that you've got everything in this suite that all coordinates and makes it really easy to put together. So for this card, I'm going to start by adhering this piece of the Tropical Oasis Designer Series paper on the right edge right here. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Early Espresso. It's a really nice birthday sentiment. And my Early Espresso is super, super juicy. So I'm going to stamp that and let that dry. So I'm just going to place that over here. And then I'm going to put dimensionals on some of my pieces here. It goes on the hibiscus and the 3 leaves. So I'm just going to place a dimensional in the middle so that I can tuck things underneath the hibiscus. So let's see if this is dry. Usually the ink dries pretty quickly. So I'm just going to adhere this down. I'm going to try to avoid touching the inked part. And then I'm going to put dimensionals on this as well. As you can tell, I love using dimension because they totally add lots of dimension to the card. All right, so I don't want to touch that sentiment again, so I'm just being aware of where it is. So it's right there, so hold it over here. And I'll try to get this off without touching. Okay, so now I can apply this to my card. And I'm going to build the little flower bouquet. So I'm going to start with the hibiscus. And I'll put that right there, front and center. And then I'll tuck each of the leaves in, making sure they stay within the boundaries of the card because I want it to fit in an envelope. So I'll do one over here, like that. And then I will do one in the corner over here. And then for the plumerias, I'm just going to add those flat. So I'm going to just put some adhesive on them and tuck them underneath the hibiscus. So I'll do one about here, and then I'll do one about there. And that is your Tropical Oasis card using the Tropical Oasis Designer Series paper and the Timeless Tropical Bundle with the In the Tropics dies. I have a few other cards to show you with this set that I've made. So this is a gatefold card with a belly band. So you just slide the belly band off, and then you can stamp your sentiment or write your message inside. And then I've used that braided trim right here on the side, and then you just place the belly band back on and slide it on, and that kind of holds the card together. I also did this card with some palm trees and the Designer Series paper, blue plumeria again, and then this cute little ukulele. And I did this cute little pineapple card. I love the pineapples, and I added a little pineapple down here as well. And then this card is another palm tree card with the Designer Series paper. I really like this color a lot. This, can't remember if it's Pool Party or Balmy Blue, but it's really nice. So I just made it into a nice thank you card. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my upcoming videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.